Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming fiber type and measuring the yarn weight because dye chemistry depends on fiber content. Once done, set up a clean workspace with gloves, a pot, thermometer, and dye measured for the grams of yarn. You want precise concentrations. This controls saturation and repeatability. Mix the dye in water per instructions, pre-wet the skein to ensure even absorption, and secure loose strands to prevent tangles before moving to the heating step. You transfer the pre-wet skein into the dye bath and bring the temperature slowly to the target specified for your dye. This prevents shock and uneven patches. Make sure to stir gently and regularly to distribute color. Avoid aggressive agitation that felts wool. If you want variegated effects, apply dye with a syringe or brush to sections. Once a test strand matches your target, maintain temperature and time to lock the color in. Timing controls intensity. You finish by cooling the yarn fully. This prevents shock and unwanted pooling. Once cool, rinse under lukewarm water until it runs clear, using a mild soap to remove surface dye. Make sure to handle the skein gently to avoid stretching. Squeeze out excess water, roll in a towel to press moisture, and dry flat in shade to preserve hue. If you see future bleeding, refix the dye by a short resimmer with a mild acid, or use a commercial color fixer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.